Good morning, students. This is Sabori Dhara. Welcome to Dhara Education. So today is the video wherein I am going to tell you about the related portion for the year 2020 and 2021 Commerce section 12th Standard Economics. So let's start. In the very first chapter, that is Introduction to Microeconomics and Macroeconomics, page number 1 and 2, that is Do You Know? 3 and 4, Importances of Microeconomics, 5 and 6, Importances of Macroeconomics and Do You Know? These all are deleted. So kindly don't refer this from chapter number 1. On the other hand, on the second chapter, that is Utility Analysis, page number 11, You Should Know, and page number 12, Significances of Law. These all are deleted from chapter number 2. In the chapter number 3, subsection A, Demand Analysis, page number 19, Reasons, Justification, Downward Sloping, and 25 page number, You Should Know, is deleted. Next, chapter number 3, section B, Elasticity of Demand, page number 27 and 28, You Should Know, both of it are deleted. Chapter number 4, Analysis, Supply Analysis, page number 39, Determinant of Demand. And also 43 page number, You Should Know, this is also deleted. Chapter number 5, Forms of Market Utility, or you can say Forms of Market, page number 49, Types of Monopoly and You Should Know is deleted from this chapter. Chapter number 6, Index Number, page number 59 and 54, You Should Know. 58 and 59, these limitations of the index number is deleted. Chapter number 7, National Income, 63 page number, You Should Know is deleted, and also 66, You Should Know is also deleted. Chapter number 8, Public Finance in India, page number 72, 74 and 78 of the particular 8th chapter is deleted. That is the classification of public expenditure, You Should Know, and types of budget respectively. So these all are topics are deleted for your board exam due to COVID-19. Chapter number 9, Money Market and Capital Market in India, 2 pages, that is 86 page number, Problems in Indian Market Money, and 90 page number, Problems in Capital Market is deleted. The 10th one is Foreign Trade of India, page number 96. The topic of that particular page is Trends in India's Foreign Trade since 2001. So students, with this we have completed all the 10 chapters of our economics HSC board, and I hope so you are very much clear about the same. So once you will going to delete all the deleted portion from this video, you will able to start up with the portion for your HSC board. So a very best of luck to you all, and do best in your board exams. Thank you so much for your precious time. Stay blessed, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.